What is HACCP plan? Hey there! Today, we're diving into the world of HACCP plans. What exactly is a HACCP plan, and why is it crucial for food safety? Let's break it down in just 80 seconds. Stay tuned! First, an HACCP plan is your roadmap to ensure food safety in your operations. It helps you identify and control potential hazards that could compromise the quality of your food. Trust me, it's a game changer. Following your HACCP plan, you're taking proactive steps to prevent foodborne illnesses and keep your customers safe. Every step matters, from receiving and storing food properly to monitoring critical control points. So, whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, having a solid HACCP plan in place is non-negotiable. Building and implementing the HACCP plan can be confusing, but fail not. We are here to help. DM HACCP help and we can help build your HACCP guide. Give me a quick message or call at 236-513-2488.